can also respond to appear ya teman-teman. Jadi ada beberapa function in the classroom. Ada classroom activity, ada assignment and task, and the last is classroom participation. Okay, you have guys to listen the QR code in the following screen. You can scan and open the dialog, please. Ini dialognya cukup panjang ya. Kalau bisa sambil mencatat apa saja yang disampaikan oleh penuturnya ya. It's about 5 minutes. 5 minutes atau 3 menit juga jadi ya. Silakan. Okay, finish? Okay, we listen together. Right.
Hi, Lisa. How was your day at university?
Hi, Tom. It was quite busy but productive. I attended a lecture this morning about learning strategies and took a lot of notes.
That's good. Did you participate in any discussions during the lecture?
Yes, we had a short discussion in small groups. I shared my ideas about effective study methods and listened to my classmates' opinions.
Sounds interesting. Did you get any assignments today?
Yes, the lecturer gave us an assignment to prepare a short presentation about a learning technique. We need to work in groups and submit it next week.
I see. How are you planning to prepare the presentation?
We discussed dividing the tasks. I will research the topic and write some notes, while my group members will prepare the slides. Then we will practice presenting together.
That's a good plan. Did the lecturer give any feedback on your previous assignment?
Yes, the lecturer gave feedback and suggested improvements. I also asked my classmates for feedback on my draft, which really helped me understand what to improve.
I should do the same. I have an assignment due today, and I'm a bit nervous about submitting it.
Don't worry, I can check your work and give you some feedback before you submit it.
That would be great, thanks. By the way, how do you usually remember all the new vocabulary from lectures and discussions?
I always write down new words in my notebook and review them every day. I also try to use them when I speak or write about assignments.
Wow, that's a good habit. I should try that too. Thanks for the tips, Lisa.
No problem, Tom. Let's help each other with our assignments and presentations.
Okay. Can you get it? What is they talking about? It's enough, or you wanted to repeat again?
About learning activities, Ibu.
This is about learning activity ya. Percakapan antara siapa dengan siapa? Who is involved on the dialogue?
Tom sama Lisa.
Tom and Lisa, bukan Tom and Jerry ya. Tom and Lisa ya. Jadi mereka membicarakan tentang lecture, perkuliahan ya. Tentang topik apa yang diajarkan, kemudian apa yang dilakukan oleh Lisa selama perkuliahan, gitu, tugas-tugas apa yang diberikan oleh dosennya ya. Oke. Nah, sebetulnya saya ingin Akang dan Teteh itu menulis dialognya secara apa ya, tulis tangan ya, bukan diketik, tulis tangan, kemudian nanti dipraktekkan dua orang ya. Gimana? Bisa?
Bisa, Bu.
Oke. 5 menit ya, please.
Ibu boleh minta tambahan waktu, Bu?
6 menit. Oke. Okay, are you finished?
Belum, Miss.
Belum. Siapa yang sudah? Okay, finish. Maifa, selesai? Dikit lagi. 1 minute remaining. Okay. Deden, Kang Deden, udah belum?
Iya, Bu.
Udah?
Baru
Sudah itu.
bisa baru kebuka, Bu, barcode-nya.
Aduh, baru kebuka. Kalau
Baru
mau nge-scan ini kan gampang ya, tinggal kalian apa? Buka
ya
kamera, terus nanti
di scan
otomatis
ya.
dia.
Ini
Mm-mm.
lagi ngedengerin.
Ibu, saya sudah selesai.
Wait, amazing. You can choose one to participate.
Eh, dengan Maipa ya?
Temaifa.
Ya,
Okay.
Maipa. Oke. Hi Liza, how is your day at university? That's good. Did you participate in any discussion during the lecture? Sound interesting. Did you get any assignment today? I see. How are you planning to prepare the presentation? That's a good plan. Did the lecturer give any feedback on your previous segment? I should do you the same. I should do the same. I have an assignment due today and I am a bit nervous about submitting it. That would be great. Thanks by the way. How do you usually remember all the now vocabulary
New.
from
New.
lecture and this
New.
new
Kok new?
new vocabulary from lecture and discussion. Wow, that's a good habit. I should try that too. Thanks for the tips, Lisa.
Okay, good job. Maifa and Kang Putra ya. Sudah keren banget nih ya. Sudah bisa menulis dengan cepat dan practice the dialogue. Okay, guys. I think one couple again to practice the dialogue. Kang Deden, Teh Siti.
Boleh, boleh.
Ah,
Boleh.
Oke, Teh Siti jadi Lisa ya, as a Lisa and Kang Deden as a Tom. Okay, please.
Hi Lisa, how is your day at university?
Hi Tom, it was with busy but productive. I attended a lecture this morning about learning strategies and took a lot of notes.
That's good. Did you participate in any discuss during the lecture?
Yes, we had a short discussion in small group. I shared my ideas about effective study method and listening to my classmate opinions.
So interesting. Did you get any assignment today?
Yes, the lecture gave use an assignment to prepare a short presentation about a learning technique. We need to work in group and submit it next week.
I see. How are you planning to prepare the presentation?
We discussed defining the tasks, I will research the topic and write some notes while my group member will prepare the slide. Then we will practice presenting together.
That's a good plan. Did the lecturer give any feedback on your previous assignment?
Yes, the lecturer gave feedback and suggested improvements. I also asked my classmates for feedback on my draft, which really helped me understand what to improve.
I should do the same. I have an assignment due today and I'm a bit nervous about submitting it.
Don't worry, I can check your work and give you some feedback before you submit it.
That would be great. Thanks. By the way, how do you usually remember all the new vocabulary from lectures and discuss?
I always write down new words in my notebook and review them every day. I also try to use them when I speak or write about assignment.
Wow, that's a good habit. I should try that too. Thanks for the tips, Lisa.
No problem, Tom. Let's help each other with our assignment and presentation.
Oke, good. Teh Siti dan Kang Deden ya. Let me correct some word to a better. Like mana tadi ya? Discussion ya, not discuss. Discussion, diskusi itu ya. Kemudian
Iya, iya.
participate. Oke, kemudian tadi apa lagi ya yang kurang? eh Classmates. Classmates itu teman sekelas ya. Classmate. Classmate, my classmates opinions. Berarti pendapat dari teman sekelas ya. Sounds interesting ya. Kemudian tadi bukan teknik kue ya, tapi teknik aja dibacanya ya. The lecturer gave us an assignment to prepare a short presentation about a learning technique. Ya, teknik aja. Okay, and then dividing ya, membagi. We discuss dividing the task, membagi tugas ya. I will research the topic and write some notes. Jadi dia tugasnya itu research about the topic and write some notes. The other group member prepare the slide and then practice presenting together. Okay, and then what else tadi? Ya, asked gitu ya. Tetap aja dibacanya asked. Ya, tidak asked. Ya. Kemudian improve. Ya, memperbaiki. I should do the same. I have an assignment due today and I'm a bit nervous, sedikit nervous about submitting it. Ya, kemudian I always write down new words in my notebook and review them every day. Yeah, wow, that's a good habit. I should try that too. Oke, itu aja mungkin ya, teman-teman, untuk sedikit perbaikannya ya, tapi sudah bagus. And I appreciate for Siti, Kang Deden, kemudian tadi siapa ya? Teh Meifa ya, and also Kang Putra ya. Okay, guys, we would like to move to another chapter. Tadi tulis listening ya. Okay. There are several questions in you can see on the screen or on your own module. Understanding the main idea. What are Tom and Lisa mainly talking about? A class exam, daily university learning activity and assignment, online learning platform, or extracurricular activities.
B. Daily university learning activities at the segment.
Okay. B. Daily university learning activities and assignment. Tadi kan percakapan antara Lisa dan Tom itu it's talking about learning activity ya. How the lecture today. Kemudian how about the assignment? So the best answer is B. Okay. Next, number 2. What assignment did the lectures? Nah, ini ada lecture. Ada lecture. Biasa gak pakai R. Kalau lecture, perkuliahan. Kalau pakai R, lecturer itu dosen ya. What assignment did the lecturer give? Lisa. B. Preparing a
B.
group
B. Preparing the
presentation.
group presentation.
Okay, good job. Number 3. When is the presentation assignment due?
Next week.
Next. Yeah, good job. Okay. We are moving to the task 2, listening for detail. Tadi sudah didengarkan. Number 4, what did Lisa do during the lecture? Ada yang tahu? What did Lisa do during the lecture?
Discussing and give her opinion.
Okay, jadi the best answer is Lisa attend a lecture about apa tadi? Learning strategies, ya. And took many notes. Okay, number 5. How did Lisa and her group plan their presentation task? How did Lisa and her group plan their presentation task?
Nomor berapa? Number 5.
Yes, number 5. Task 2, number 5. Ini ya. How did Lisa and her group plan their presentation task?
Dividing the task.
Okay. They divide the task. Bagaimana katanya pembagiannya? Lisa ngapain?
Research topic.
Research the topic
Write notes.
Write
and
some
write
notes.
Okay, good. And
So,
other member?
so group member prepared the slide.
Okay, ya betul ya. And another group member prepare the slide, mempersiapkan slide, and then practice
Together.
together. Okay. Next, number 6. What kind of feedback did Lisa receive from the lecture?
Give a feedback.
Yeah, what is the kind of feedback?
Suggestion.
Suggestion. Okay,
Oh,
for
suggestion.
improvement the
Improvement.
lecture. Okay, good job, Kang Deden. Number 7. How does Lisa usually remember a new vocabulary? Tadi ada caranya, katanya dikasih tips.
Write.
Ya,
Write
writing it
new
down.
word.
Okay, review it daily and using it in speaking or writing, right?
Oh,
Jadi
iya.
katanya Lisa itu supaya remember new vocabulary, she is writing it down, menulisnya, and then reviewing it daily, mereviewnya tiap hari, and using it in speaking or writing. Itu ya. Oke. Task 3. Nah, ini diminta untuk complete the sentences based on the conversation. Okay, number 8. Lisa attend a lecture about titik-titik strategies.
About strategies.
Tadi sudah saya sampaikan juga apa ya? Buat apa tadi lecture-nya? Perkuliahan.
Learning.
Learning
learning.
strategy. Okay, good. Number 9. The student had a short discussion in titik-titik groups.
Small.
Small group. Good. Number 10. The assignment is to prepare a short titik-titik about a learning technique.
Presentation.
Presentation. Okay. Number 11. Lisa will research the topic and write titik-titik. Yeah, write notes, yeah, for the presentation. The last number, the lecture gave
Yang tadi nih
feedback. Good on the previous assignment. Okay. Nanti ditulis ya jawabannya ya di buku tugasnya ya. Okay, task 4. Now we have several vocabulary that you have to define it. The first lecture, assignment, feedback, presentation, vocabulary. Okay? Are you ready, guys? Tadi kita sudah sebutkan juga bahwa lecture itu adalah
lecture. Lupa lagi.
what is the lecture in this
Kuliahan
context?
ya Bu ya, perkuliahan.
Apa nih? A, B, C, D, or E? The best answer. D. A talk given by a lecture. Nah, ini kalian sedang sedang melakukan perkuliahan apa ini? Sedang mengikuti perkuliahan apa yang unit 7 tadi ya, secara spesifiknya, secara umumnya English in classroom ya. Okay. So number 1, the answer is D. Lecture is a talk given by a lecture. Number 2, assignment.
Segmen teh tugas ya Bu.
Yes.
A task given by a lecture.
Task given by a lecture. Betul. Mantap. Number 3, what is feedback?
Timbal balik ya feedback ya Bu ya.
Ya,
Aku ya dong,
Comment or suggest.
Comments or suggestion, good to improve work. Ya, saran, komentar dan saran untuk meningkatkan tugas ya. Okay, number 4, presentation.
E.
E.
A talk prepared to explain the topic.
Okay, a talk prepared to explain the topic, right? Okay, and the last number is exactly vocabulary is apa?
New
words learned in class. Okay, good job all. Nah, I hope you understand about the word and the meaning. And you have to remember it. Mungkin nanti ada di soal UAS ya. In the last semester exam. Okay, we move to the task 5. Ini about your personal feedback ya, based on the dialogue. Kita lewat saja. Next is speaking. Okay, you guys, you have to work in pairs again. So one people as a student and other as a student A and another as a student B. Yeah. So student A asks about a learning activity or assignment, and student B is to respond using the given expression. Yeah. And you can change role after 3 questions. Okay, guys, there are several expressions that you can use on the dialogue. The first is if you asking about learning activity, you can using what learning activity do you usually do in the class, or how do you prepare for your assignment or presentations, or do you participate in a group discussion, or you can ask how often do you attend lectures, or what do you usually do after class to review the lesson. Okay, guys, and to answer the learning activity about learning activity, you can answer, yes, I usually attend lecture and take notes, or no, I don't understand about it because I sleep during the lecture, misalkan gitu ya, tidur ya sepanjang perkuliahan. It's up to you. You have your own answer, okay? Or yes, I participate in group discussion and share my ideas. Now, how about assignment? If you guys ask about assignment or task, you can using the expression like, "What assignment do you have today?" or "How do you prepare for your presentation? When is the assignment due?" or "Did you submit your homework yet?" and etc. Okay, how about the answering? It can the lecture give us an assignment to complete this week, or seperti yang the dialogue between Lisa and Tom. Lisa has a assignment from the lecture is to make a slide presentation. Seperti itu ya. Atau jika menanyakan due date-nya, you can answer yes, I submit it yesterday, or yes, uh, we have already submit yesterday, or the due date is the next Monday. Ya, silakan sesuaikan saja ya. So, you work in pairs, and the first student as a student A, and the other as a student B. Are you ready, guys? You have about 5 minutes to make the dialogue, and make sure that you have pasangan, pairs, to practice the dialogue. Okay, finish. Farisha? You wanna try? Can you hear me, Farisha?
Belum ya.
Belum. Desanti? Kang Hafid udah belum? Are you finished?
Ya, Miss.
Belum,
Desanti
Bu.
udah?
Dikit lagi, Miss. Bentar.
Dikit lagi. Oh, sudah, you have a partner?
I have, Miss.
Who
Yusnia.
is? Okay, Yusnia. Oke, gimana? Teh Desanti, silakan.
Iya, Miss. Teh Yusnia.
Ya, Teh.
Hi, what learning activities do you usually do in class?
I usually attend lecture and take notes.
Do you participate in group discussions?
Yes, I participate in group discussion and share my ideas.
How often do you attend lectures?
I attend lecture every day.
What do you usually do after class to review the lesson?
After class, I review my notes and revise the tasks.
How do you prepare for your assignment or presentations?
I prepare for my assignment by researching and reading notes. What assignment do you have today?
The lecturer gave us an assignment to complete this week.
Can you explain what the task is?
The task is to write a short summary based on the discussion.
When is the assignment due?
The assignment is due next Monday.
How do you prepare for your presentation? How do you prepare for your presentation?
I prepare my presentation by making slides and practicing with my group.
Did you submit your homework yet?
Yes, I submitted it this yesterday. Do you like group discussions?
Yes, because I can share ideas with my friend. Do you usually study alone or with friends?
I usually study with my friends before presentations. What do you do if the assignment is difficult?
I ask my lecturer or friend for help.
Then Miss.
Okay, thank you, Desanti dan Yusnia. I want to confirm to Yusnia, apa tadi katanya ya? You attend lectures every day. That's right.
Yes, Miss.
Tiap hari, betul. Kalau seminggu sekali berarti apa? I attend lectures once a week. Ya, kalau dua kali dalam seminggu berarti twice a week. Oke? Baik, sudah bagus ya percakapannya. But you can using your daily sentences that you usually in the daily life ya. Jadi bisa ditambahkan sebetulnya ya. Oke, sedikit lagi we move to the reading chapter. There are some word bank like a lecture, discussion, assignment, presentation, and feedback. Okay, number 1. Yesterday I attend a about effective study strategies. Apakah lecture? Apakah discussion? Assignment? Presentation? Lecture ya. I attend a lecture. Saya menghadiri perkuliahan ya. About effective study strategies. Okay. Number 2. During the group, everyone share their opinion and ideas. Grup apa?
Discussion.
Discussion. Betul. Okay. Number 3. The lecturer gave us an to complete by next weeks.
Assignment.
Assignment ini berurutan ya. Number 4. My group will give a short about our research project tomorrow. Short Presentation. Itu presentation. Okay, about our presentation. Okay, the last I asked my classmate for titik-titik on my draft before submitting it. Oke, feedback ya. Saya meminta teman sekelas untuk memberikan penilaian atau feedback on my draft sebelum disubmit. Okay, guys, this is for the end of the meeting. For assignment, I forget it. For assignment, tadi itu kita kalian sudah write down on the notebook, right? The dialogue, the first dialogue that we listen. Yang this one, okay? Write on the notebook, yeah, not in the type, but on your notebook, and then take a picture of your task, and then you can submit it to the LMS. Okay, the due date is for the assignment today at sekarang jam berapa? 14.10 ya. 15.00 ya. 3 p.m. Oke. Jadi tadi ditulis lagi dialognya mengenai lecture. The topic is the learning strategies, and then you can take a picture on the what else, the task, and also you can submit it into the LMS. Oke guys, ini saya coba ini dulu ya, saya buat dulu kolom di LMS-nya. Nah, baik. Kita akan ke perkuliahan kedua, ya, matematik modeling. Nah, minggu lalu itu ada tugas ya. Saya meminta teman-teman semua untuk membuat